Hi there, this is my video for Module 4 for assessing my horse's conformation. So this is Peanut, and she's 10 years old and she's a quarter horse. She's a mare. And I'm going to show you the stuff that's good about her, that could be better, and so on. So I'm going to start up here and start at her chest. And you can see that her chest is pretty well muscled. Like, I ride her a lot, so she has good muscling in her chest. And then her neck, I would say for her size, she's 15'2" hands. So it's a pretty good length because it looks proportionate to her body. Her head is probably ideal because it's nice and straight, and she doesn't have a Roman nose or anything like that. And she's got nice eyes for her size, and same with her ears that looks like they're the right size. They're not too big or too small. And then her legs are pretty good. They're pretty straight for a horse. They might be slightly in a little bit, like they're pretty close, but her pasterns, they're a good length because they're not too upright, but they're not too long, because if they're too long, it could cause soundness issues, so they're a pretty good length. And then when you look at her top line, she has a really good top line because her rump and her withers are at equal heights, so because you don't want a horse's rump to be higher than their withers, because that would cause your horse to be downhill. So they're pretty good. And then her hip angle it's slightly straighter than some people would like it, I guess you could say. Because if you want a horse with a long sloping shoulder or hip, that'd be good because then your horse can do lots of jumping and movements like that. But it's pretty good. It's got a nice angle here. Okay, and so when you look at her hip too, and then if you were to go down, it's pretty straight under here, like her cannon bones and legs this way are pretty straight. They might, when you look at her hocks, when I move her tail, come this way, they might be slightly cow-hocked, but nothing too major, like they're not touching or anything like that. But it's nice because if you were to drop a line, she has straight cannon bones, and her pasterns, there again, are at a pretty good distance. And then overall, I would give her body conditioning score probably about a 6. She's not thin, and if I push hard, I can feel her ribs, but she's also pretty muscled, I would say. So I'd say she's about a 6. She's not thin, but she's definitely not overweight. Thank you.